Hello, doing exam 2, problem 3, on page 5. Here we want to use graph of f of x and the table g of x to compute the derivatives. So let's get started. First, we want to compute this derivative normally without doing anything fancy. So we take out the constant 1/3 and take the derivative of f prime of 2. Now we do a power and a chain rule, which is 3 of g of x times g prime of x. Now we do power rule, so 6x squared. Now we just want to put this at x equals 2. So let's do 1/3 f prime of 2 minus 3 g of 2 of g prime of 2 plus 6 2 squared. Now we want to find what f prime of 2 is. Let's go over here. Let's put 2 is. And we'll draw a line so we know visually where it is. Okay. Now we just want to see if it's increasing or decreasing. Since this slope from left to right looks it's increasing, that means this slope, let's go from an easy variable. Let's do 1, 6 to all the way to 2, -3. This is going to be a 1, 2. Increase 2. Another way to verify this is go to 3, 0. Well, I want to see where easy variable it is. So it looks like, yeah, every 2 variables it's going to be going. So this is going to be a y equals 2x. Since it rises, it moves 1 over. So this means f prime of 2 is going to be 3. Since it's just this x constant. Okay, we're doing exam 2, problem 3. We want to use the graph of f of t and the table, this table. Okay, let's get started. For this one, we just want to take the derivative, so it's 1/3 f prime of t minus the chain rule plus power rule. We did power then chain rule here since it's 2 functions in one. We take this out and then we times it by the derivative of the function. Now we want to find x equals 2. So 1/3 f prime of 2 minus 3 g of 2 g prime of 2 plus 6 times 2 squared. Now we want to see where 2 is. So 2 can be found right here. And from this, it looks like it's increasing. Since it's left to right, it's going positive. Okay. From here, what I want to see is what the slope is. Since let me find a simple variable common. So it looks like every single one is increasing. It's all increasing. And it looks like it's increasing by 1, 2, 3 over 1. It's all increasing 3 over 1, 3 over 1, 3 over 1, 3 over 1, 3 over 1. This is going to be 3 over x. So this one is going to be 3 over x. Therefore, it's going to be 1 over 3 of 3. Minus, let's do 3 of g of 2. G of 2 is going to be 2. And g prime is -3. So 2 times -3 plus 6 times 4. Yes. So this is just going to leave us with 1 minus 6 times 3 plus 24. And 6 times -3 is 1 plus 36 plus 24, which gives us 61. Okay, that's done. Let's do B. This one's going to be the quotient rule, which is going to just be 2 of what? Okay, let's do B now. So this looks like a chain rule, which chain rules are just this: f prime of x times g of x minus g of x prime of f of x all over g of x squared. Okay, let's just do that. So first we want to get f of x times f prime of x. So this part is f prime, which it looks as 2, times g of x, which is f of x. It's a bit confusing, but it's alright. And then f prime of x times 2x minus 2 plus 2. 2x plus 2 all over f of x squared. Now we want to substitute this at 8. So let's go. Where's 8? This one looks like it's going to be at 5. However, let's just double check. Since the left and right both equal, and it looks like it's dropping by 1, and we can just go straight across and see it's 5. So we can just substitute this 2 of 5 minus f prime of 5, f prime of 8 is a bit of a different story. Since this is decreasing 1/2 each times. So you can see it's 1, 2, and then it goes. So this is decreasing, so it's negative 1/2. Okay, negative 1/2 of 2 of 8 plus 2 all over f of 8, which is 5, which is 25. And then we solve this. So 10 minus 16 plus 2 of negative 1/2 all over 25, which will give us, we can distribute this, which is just going to give us 10 plus 6 over 25, which is 16 over 25, which is our answer. Okay, now C. So this is a composite function, which seems a bit difficult, but it's not difficult at all. So this is just going to be chain rule, g prime of f of x, f prime of x at equals 1, negative 1. So let's just find it. G prime of f of negative 1 of f negative 1. So f of negative 1 is here at negative 6. So g prime of negative 6 is it negative 6? Oh, negative 1, my bad. So this is 2. G prime of negative 2. Since if we go here, negative 1, this is at negative 2. And this is f prime of negative 1, which, as we said before, oh, this is, so since this looks like a constant function, but it's negative, it looks like it's decreasing 2 by each time. As we can tell, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is just going to be negative 2. Negative 2. So g of negative 2 prime, so where's negative 2? Right here, 2. So this is 2 times negative 2, which is just going to be 4. Negative 4. Okay, thank you.